Did you know your Android phone has a hidden feature that lets you start recording videos instantly without even opening the camera app? Most users have no idea this exists, but once you learn it, you'll capture moments faster than ever before. Today, I'm going to show you how this secret feature works, why it's incredibly useful, and how you can activate it on almost any modern Android device. Let's get started. First, many Android phones now include Quick Capture, a feature that lets you start recording with a simple gesture or shortcut, no camera app required. On some devices, like Motorola, all you need to do is twist your wrist twice, and the video recording begins instantly. On others, like Samsung or Google Pixel, you can trigger video recording using quick settings tiles, lock screen shortcuts, or even secret back tap gestures. Here's how it works on most Android phones. Wake your screen, but don't unlock it. Look for the small camera icon at the bottom corner. Press and hold it. Instead of opening the full camera app, your phone immediately begins recording a video. This is perfect for emergencies, unexpected events, or moments that happen too quickly to waste time navigating menus. But there's an even faster method. Swipe down twice to open your quick settings panel. Many phones now include a hidden tile called Record Video or Camera Shortcut. Add it to your control panel. Now, anytime you need to record something quickly, just pull down the shade and tap the tile. Your phone starts recording instantly, even if it's locked. Pixels also support double pressing the power button, which jumps straight into video mode. Samsung phones can use the side key shortcut, letting you open the camera directly to video with one press. And if your device supports back tap, you can assign a double tap on the back of your phone to start video recording immediately. It feels like magic. This feature is incredibly helpful for capturing quick proof of something, recording unexpected events on the street, noting a license plate, or documenting something important before it disappears. You don't have to search for the camera app, switch modes, or adjust anything. Your phone simply starts recording the instant you trigger the shortcut. Just remember, you can customize these shortcuts in your phone's settings under Gestures, Advanced Features, or Lock Screen Shortcuts, depending on your device brand. Try it out today. Once you learn how to record videos without ever opening the camera app, you'll never miss an important moment again. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.